At ang number one reason kung bakit nadideny ang claim ay ang... Hello my friends, it's Yayo. Ngayon, pag-usapan naman natin kung bakit nadideny ang mga insurance claims. Meron tayo ditong top 10 reasons. So number 10 on our list is yung tinatawag below deductible or within deductible. So the other day, may pumunta sa aming client, gusto niyang claim yung damage sa front bumper niya. It's a small scratch. Ang estimate namin is roughly around 4,500. Pero nung chinek namin yung policy niya, ang deductible niya or yung participation fee niya ay 5,000 pesos. Logically, walang sense na mag-file ka ng something na mas mura pa dun sa babayaran mong deductible. So, sa perspective ni insurance, automatic denied yung within deductible. Number 9 on our list is yung tinatawag na late notification. As soon as magkaroon ka ng incident or madamage yung kotse mo, it's best that you report it immediately to the insurance company. Bakit? Kasi pag pinatagal mo, maaaring lumala or madagdagan, hindi na ma-assess properly ni insurance yung damage ng kotse mo. Number 8 reason for denial is yung tinatawag na lack of cover. For example, pag kukuha ka ng insurance, tatanong nila sa'yo kung gusto mo bang with acts of nature or without. Acts of nature, more popularly known as acts of God, yung mga perils covered by acts of nature like typhoon and flood. Kung halimbawa, ang insurance policy mo, walang acts of nature, and then binaha yung kotse mo, unfortunately, pag linay mo siya, ay di-deny yun ng insurance. By the way, you can also avail motor car insurance from MMG. Ang insurance provider namin ay walang iba kundi si Una Insurance. Okay tong insurance na to, madaling kausap, competitive ang rates, madaling mag-file ng claim. Kung meron kayong inquiries, please send us a message and sasagutin agad yon ni Miss Desiree.
Kapag sa amin kayo kukuha ng insurance, in an event of claim, guaranteed na we all do the paperwork for you and less hassle on your part.
So that's it for now, and please stay tuned for part 2 of this short video.